Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just making a scrambled egg for lunch. Yeah, this week is gonna be busy for me because I have exam this Thursday and I have a clinical tomorrow, so I just need to go back study again. Um, never mind. But again, this scrambled egg, I'm putting the oil first and then make sure it's like heated properly. Yeah, the exam this Thursday is our first exam for pediatrics, so I'm not sure. Again, it's a new professor, so every time you get a new professor, you kind of like try to figure out like their questioning style on the exam. And of course, since it's nursing school, we are not allowed to go back to the previous question, so I need to like develop the habit of being able to read the question and answer it without trying to go back to the previous question. Because again, if you realize the answer you had was wrong, it's too late now if you already like click the next button, right? So, all right, for this scrambled egg, I'm gonna put the onion first. I don't have the actual onion, so I'm just gonna use the liquid form, and then I'm gonna add the. Sorry, this one's garlic, and then I'm gonna add the onions over here. Yeah, I do prefer like the actual, like solid form of the garlic because it looks better. But again, I have the liquid one, so it's fine. So I'm just gonna mix it, make sure it's kind of heated. Because if you're using the actual garlic, right, you would know if it's like cooked, if it's like brownish in color. But this one, since it's like liquid form, it might not really show that much of if it's brownish or dark. But yeah, I'll just mix it up and then like wait for like just like 2 minutes before adding the eggs. So I'm gonna add 2 eggs for this one, for scrambled egg. So I'm gonna add the first one. Yeah, this one, every time I do it, you have to be careful not really like splattering the egg all over the place. So you have to like break it enough for you to actually like be able to control the how you crack the egg. So yeah, all right. So I'm gonna use 2 of them, and my heat is around like medium. Yeah, medium heat, not medium low, just medium heat, and I'm just gonna stir this one until it actually solidifies, and that's the purpose. Because like if you let it sit, it might just get hardened, and you're not gonna be able to actually mix the onion garlic with the egg. And once it's kind of like what do you call this, like solid a bit, I'm gonna add a tomato on it. I mean, some people like. Thing I've seen like some people like add like what bacon bits on this one. Also like the other ingredients. Again, it all depends on what you have and what you prefer, right? So everyone has their own different style of making a scrambled egg. Some people just want to prefer like sunny side up, make it simple, right? But sometimes because like this one, at least you add some more like vegetables on it. Like it's not like a lot of vegetables, but you have the tomato and then the onion on it. Yeah, so I'm just mixing this one. Wait for it to get hardened. And now it's kind of like colloid look already. I'm gonna add the tomato. So then once it's actually cooked, the tomato is also cooked. Again, I'm just estimating the amount, like based on what I see, right? You want to put too much or too less of the ingredient, and just mix it. Yeah, so in my exam, I need to memorize or get familiarized with, because we're having exam of pediatrics. So, what are the milestones that the baby would have in a certain time frame. Like in 2 months, are they expected to be able to like lift their heads up and stuff like that? So it's different exam. So I'm adding the salt and pepper right now, and then just mix it. It's almost cooked, so it's almost done. Yeah, I can already smell the scrambled egg too. I don't know why the other day. I mean, last week. I mean, I'm not sure. It was like there was like senator that was saying that there was like an issue with the shrimp being sold at Walmart. You know, like has like radiation on it. I think it's a senator. Yeah, but somebody. Because like the shrimp was imported from Indonesia and then it's being sold in Walmart all over the country. And it's kind of like he was saying it was a bad product that can cause it can cause mutation and stuff. So that's kind of like scary. Again, that's why they try to keep updated with the news, so that you're not gonna be one of those victims that need to like do some testing or whatever. All right, I think I should be done. So I'm just gonna transfer it to my plate over here. Yeah, just gonna put it on the side, and then yeah, like the color looks good though. Like the egg plus with the tomato and the onion. And I'm just gonna add some Thousand Island dressing. Again, you can buy like I don't have the spicy sauce, so I would prefer spicy sauce, but again, Thousand Island would be like a safe choice too. Yeah. So, all right, this is gonna be my lunch time today. All right, guys, thank you for watching.